Good morning, everybody. I'm Jess with TGT Custom Works. Fun fact, did you know that TGT stands for Tom's initials? The mastermind behind it all. Anyway, today I'm here to tell you guys about all of the stainless steel hose connectors. Because I don't know what page they're on. Oh my goodness. But guess what? Body panels are on page 9 and 10. But hose connectors are on page 20. And as you see here, we have T connectors and we have 90 connectors. We have straight. We have 45 degrees. We have all of these and more. But the whole reason why I'm like, I'm gonna make a video, because I do the welding. Hold on. Here we have an HCT 1-inch OD slip bead, standard slip bead. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So, if you'd like to place an order today for hose connectors, you can either give me a call, send me an email, or send a carrier pigeon. That's everything I have for today, so take care and let's talk about bus stuff.